What's up, everybody? Youstancebro here. How you guys been doing? I've been doing all right. I finally got the project car I've always been wanting for about 15 years. I've been wanting one. I actually drove this car 12 years ago. I was going to trade a Lincoln Town Car for it, and I never got it. And for some reason, it came back to me, and now I have it, actually. Yeah, it's a 64 Bel Air. Looks just like an Impala. The only difference is there's not a third tail light on the trunk. That's about it. So you can throw an Impala trunk lid on and it'll look just like it. It's got hydraulics. It's already got pimp interior. I'm gonna go over it with you guys. It's been sitting for almost 5 years. So yeah, it's been dirty. Gotta give it a tune up, give it some love. The hydraulics leak. Gotta replace seals. So I thought I'd make a video about it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hi, Bubba. Ready? Yeah, good job. Oh guys, look at all that room in there. It's just so nice and basic. Look, I could see the control arms, and the distributor. Look, there's a starter down there. Motor mounts. The manual brake booster. Alternator. This steering wheel's pretty ugly. Look at this. I mean, the steering wheel's nice, but it's like electrical tape. Is it wood? Yeah, I think it is wood. No, that's not wood. I'll still take this tape off. It looks cool. Let's see. Yeah, that looks way better than electrical tape. Fuck it. Yeah. Nice. Way better. Alright guys, so pretty much everything's leaking. The dumps are leaking. All the cylinders are leaking besides that one. They're not too bad to change. You can see them right here. So these are the cylinders. Pretty much all I have to do is unscrew that, take that out, and then underneath it'll slide out. And then it's just a little rubber ring right there. So then I could start hopping again and it won't sag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked it, and I'm going to be uploading more videos because I've been working on it for a while and I have a lot of videos pre-recorded, so I don't really want to say too much about it yet, but I've been working on this. It was down for like 2 months. The motor blew, and I just took the subframe out and put a new motor in it. Here's the old one actually. I got it out of that car right there. That car had 130,000 miles. And here's the old motor. This one had 300,000 on it. Yeah, it was used a lot. So I just used a tractor, lifted up the car, dropped the subframe. It was pretty hard. I did it all by myself too. Yeah, looks good. Alright guys, take it easy. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, let me know what you think. See you guys on the next video. Peace.